Okay guys, so I got the engine all warmed up. Now in order to do this, to make your oil come out a lot easier, you're going to want to remove the oil cap, or the dipstick, whatever you want to call it. You just, that somewhere, where you won't lose it, and then, you guys are going to want to grab a socket wrench. It should be a little bolt right here, and also have a very professional grade oil catching device. So then, you can get the socket on, get the socket off. Have that facing the wrong way, my bad. This thing does not want to come off. So, there we go. Got that loose. Now you're just going to want to undo it. That oil is pretty black. Please don't overflow. Alright. Just to show you guys, this thing definitely needed a change. Get every last drop out. Shake shaker. And then put your oil bolt back in. And tighten it down. Alright. And you can take your gloves off if you want. The rest of this is pretty clean to do. Want to come over here, oil reservoir, put a little funnel there, and then start filling it with oil. This thing takes about a quart, so yeah, just start filling her back up with oil. Okay. Now that should have a good amount of oil in it. Just check your dipstick. And yeah, we're full. Okay guys, well, thanks for watching. That was how to change the oil in your Honda dirt bike. Let's say 2022 model, just in case you guys were wondering. And yeah, see you next time.